In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make lyrics video using Canva. First, you need to know which song you want to use, so you can go on YouTube and search the song. Then you will want to go on Tubity, search for the song name and download in MP3 format. After you've downloaded the song, you can go on Google and search for the lyrics to copy and paste. But if the lyrics is not on Google, search on the YouTube video description. If it's not there, maybe you would have to write it yourself. After you've gotten the lyrics, open Canva, and when you go in Canva, you find a video template. You can search in the video section and you will see YouTube video. When you do go into YouTube video, you will see at the left hand side of the screen, you will see template. You're going to click on template and search for the theme that you would like to use. Whichever theme you choose, you can always review it and change it if you decided that you do not like it. I'm sorry about that. If you have a weak internet connection, you would need to upload the music audio that you've downloaded to Canva before you start making the lyric video. For me, I always use Canva to make my lyrics video, so I would just delete the slides that I had before and find myself a new template and everything that I need, which includes the font, the size of the words, and the animation that I want on each slide. Then I would duplicate my templates so that I have the same thing going on throughout my video. I will show you how to duplicate in a minute. The video that I'm making today is Solitaire by Starry. Yes, when you find the template that you need, you're going to click on it and it will appear on the screen as one page. The first one, it can be different from the previous ones. So for the first one, it will have the artist's name and the song title. If there are extra elements on the template, you can just touch it once and press delete, as you see I am doing there. So I'm deleting the extra things off of the slide. After you've done that and you are pleased with how the template looks, add the name, the song title, and the name of the artist. Do the font that you want, the size of the words, and the animation that you want. Duplicate the slide, duplicate the template, it's the same thing. So by duplicating the template, you have the cover page, which is the first slide, with the title and the artist name. When you duplicate the page, the second slide will be what you use to set everything that you want for the rest of the slides. Or you can do it one by one, that's up to you, but I choose to do it once. So when I duplicate the slides, I add the font, size, and animation. As you see here, I am uploading my music audio. So I will search for it in my files and I will press open and it will be uploaded to here. As I said before, if you have a fast internet, you can do it anytime, but with a slow internet service, you need to do it before you start making the lyrics, as I am doing now. So now that I've duplicated the slide, I will edit the second one to how I want it. I will also add transition. You can do it now or after you've added the other slides. Now that I've done that, I'm going to duplicate my slides. I would then add my lyrics and delete the extra slides. For my animation, I use shift on Canva, and with shift you can either do it through the characters of the sentence, the words, or a whole line. So how you want it to appear, that's how it is. You can find the lyrics for the song that you want to use on Google, on YouTube under the original video, or you can write the lyrics by yourself. And then I would just leave it as such and move on to add in the song. For the song, you will go to uploads where you see my keyboard, my mouse navigating, and you will click on the song. Before you paste the song, you have to ensure that you clicked the front of the music video, the lyrics video. If the mouse or the thing is at the middle, then it will the song will begin where the mouse was. So you have to ensure that you click the front and then you click the song on, so it starts at the beginning. For me, I did adjust this because I wanted the song to start a little bit later, so I brought it out a bit further in the middle of my first slide. So I deleted and fixed it. Here I am adding my transitions. For this I used the dissolve one, the one that the words just fade. Yes, the fade one. So you have a lot of different transitions that you can choose from, so it will be very obvious to you and you can choose for your liking. When you're editing the slides, you can cut, you can do anything to them. You will see the options. So for now, I'm downloading. When I press download, you will see download, and then you will see you can choose MP3 or MP2 and then press download. When it's saved, you will save it in the file that you want. You save it as whatever you want. I put mine in a folder so that I can easily find them, and then I upload to YouTube. Come back for my next video where I will show you how to upload to YouTube and dispute copyrights so that your videos can get monetized. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed all of this. Yes, thanks, bye, stay tuned.